How do we use our hands to make people like us? Is it possible to make people like us in 5 minutes? Hi, welcome to a Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. In my last video, I've touched on using our 5 sense organs to create a good impression and make people like us. I spoke about using our ears, our eyes, and our tongue and mouth. Today, I'm going to share with you the use of our hands. As human beings, we are all sensitive to touch. Studies have shown that babies who are touched and cuddled, they grow more healthily compared to those who are left on their own. I personally witnessed the power of touch in a seminar I attended. As the speaker walked down the aisle, he deliberately touched on the people seated nearby. There was one particular lady who was initially not paying much attention to the speaker, but when she was being touched, her reaction totally changed to become very responsive to the speaker instead. So never underestimate the power of touch. But there's also a safe zone that we have to be very careful about when relating to the party of the opposite gender. The safe zone will be between the fingertips and the elbow. Of course, it also depends on the relationship you have with the other party. It can be a light tap to putting your hands over the shoulders or even giving a hug. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you would like to learn, do feel free to type in the comments below. And do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Remember to turn on your notifications so that you can always get the latest updates.